Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about few branches of science, especially like what is anatomy, aerobiology, angiology and all I will be telling. So what is first one is anatomy. Anatomy is the branch of the biology that deals with the structure of organisms and their parts. Structure of organisms and parts. Suppose it's like if you wanted to study the structure of the part of the human body or structure of particular organisms, then this all will be studied under one branch, that is anatomy. Anatomy is a biology, that it's a branch of biology that is dealing with the structure of the organisms and parts of the organism. So what is their structure and what is the markings, specifications, all this will be studied in the branch of the anatomy. And the next one is aerobiology. Aerobiology means what? Aerobiology means it is the study of airborne microorganisms. It is the study of airborne microorganisms. Microorganisms means what? Airborne, especially. Those are like pollen, spores, seeds, especially like infections, agents of infections because of that. Pollen, infection things. Pollen, seeds. These all about all these airborne microorganisms we will be studying under one branch, that is aerobiology. Means because of that how the infection will spread. Airborne means through air. How these microorganisms like spreading the infection from one person to other person or one place to another or one like plant to another plant, seeds, all this will be studying under one branch, that is aerobiology. And the next one is what? What is angiology? Angiology means it's a branch that deals with the blood vessels, lymphatic system. Blood vessels, we everyone know blood will be flowing in the blood vessels. And then about the lymphatic system, some lymph is the fluid. All this will be studying under one branch about the blood vessels, especially, that is angiology. Anatomy is the structure of organisms and parts. Aerobiology means a branch that deals with the airborne microorganisms like pollen, seeds, infections and all. Angiology means it's a branch that deals with the blood vessels and lymphatic system. What is meant by anthropology? Anthropology means that it is a branch that deals with the study of human societies and cultures and their development. Society, culture, development. So if you wanted to study the how the society is, how the culture is and what are the developments for society and culture, if suppose what if we will do, then the society will develop. All this will be studied under one branch, that is anthropology. Anthropology, that is branch that deals with the society and culture and their development. And the next one is what is entomology? Entomology. Entomology means study of insect. Insect and their relationship to humans. Relation. Environment. And then organisms. With insects and human and their relationship and also like environmental changes. Because of that, what will happen? All this will be studied under one branch, that is entomology. So total 5 branches I told. Anatomy, a branch of biology that deals with the structure of organisms and parts. Aerobiology means study of airborne microorganisms. And angiology means a study that deals with the blood vessels and lymphatic system. Anthropology, that's meaning society and culture study and also their developments. Next is entomology. Entomology deals with the insects, study of insects especially, and their relationship with the human and then in the environment. All these things will be studied in under entomology. If you like my video and if you wanted to know more updates on the branches of the sciences, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.